Now we're going to do what's called what I call the elbow crunch. You're going to raise your elbow towards the same side knee. At the same time, you're going to do a hip raise. So the right knee will go, or the right elbow will go to the right knee. At the same time, you raise your right hip up and focus on squeezing the love handle area called the obliques. You want to contract it as hard as you can, then release it down. Then we'll do the other side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right and down, left. Notice your hips are coming up. One more. Right and bring it down. That's good.